Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Science for Everyone. Today this video is for those students who have get their admission in microbiology but they are not able to find a suitable book to study microbiology. So I am here to tell you, as a student of microbiology, I have experience in studying this book, and I have gained very much advantage. I have made also a video, this video in the Urdu version. If some students are not capable of understanding English well, so they can watch that video first. And this video is for the students that are able to understand English, and when or those students who do not understand Urdu well. So let's start with the video. First of all, I want to mention that if a student gets admission in a university, so he most of the students are curious and they want to study and they want to make their career in microbiology or some other fields of science, but they are not finding a suitable book because if someone is studying microbiology, so there are many books of microbiology written by very learned professors and doctors, but the English they are using are mostly very much difficult, or I think a little bit difficult. But here I will show you such type of book that is very easy in English, and you can cover all your bachelors of microbiology, all the topics and chapters that is included in the course of the entire course of microbiology. So in this book you will come to know that all the subjects are covered in this book. So without wasting time, let's start with the book. The name of the book, I want to show you that it is most of the people, I think you may know about it. I have the soft form of the book, and the this is the front page of the book, and it is mainly known as a Prescott by Harley and Klein Microbiology. I am having the seventh edition, but now there are many. I think up till 11th or 12th edition is there are there in the market. So this is the front page of the book. There, this is the so if you want to buy this book or you want to study it online, so don't get don't get the pirated copy. This is the original print, and sorry, this is the original cover of this book. This is the second page of this book, and I want to mention it that if someone wants to get this book, so I want to mention it that these are the it is written by the sorry, it is written by the McGraw Hills Higher Education. It is, from that board, and here are you can see these are some of the countries where this book can be purchased, or the sale of this book is we can say legal. And the countries that are not included in this list, there this book cannot be purchased, or it cannot be sold there. So how to get this book in hard copy? So if you have any relatives or friends that are who are there in these countries, so you can ask them, and you can pay them, and they will send you this book or via TCS or any other courier. So and in the so I don't know that how this book you should get in the soft form. This book is provided by one of my professor, university professor. So you can also ask from your teacher that if they are having this book. The main advantage of this book is that it contains very the English included in this book is very much easy. And one of the most important is that if you are if you have done your bachelor's and you want to do MPhil and PhD, So the test to enter to become eligible to MPhil or PhD. So these tests are mainly made from this book, because one of my professor told me that we used to make this MPhil and PhD MC or PhD papers from this book. So this is the main advantage of this book. And I will also share a few minutes of video that will include the contents, that what type of contents are there, because much of the students, when they saw a book and when they open it, so the contents they see is very much we can say complicated, and they do not understand it, and they easily remove that book and want to study another book. So these are some of the reasons. And another word I want to tell you, that most of the students they are much interested in the, for example, certain fields of the certain subjects of the microbiology. For example, you have to study molecular biology in the microbiology course, and also the biochemistry, all such type of subjects you will study in this. So most of the students are they start I can say that they want to read the entire book about the molecular biology because of their interest. So I want to tell you, I want to say to those guys that in this book, the molecular biology or other type of, we can say, biochemistry. So in this book, it is entirely covered, and it is, we can say, that if he wants to study biochemistry or molecular biology or enzymology in bachelor, so this content, this book consists of the perfect, I can say, the perfect content, and so for a bachelor student. So no need to go to run after other books, and it will waste your time. So just looking to the brief contents of this book. So it starts with the intro. It starts with the introduction to microbiology, and here are the chapters. First chapter is about the history and the scope of microbiology, and it's mainly in the first semester, I think so. In the first semester, you should came to know about the history and the scope of microbiology. So this chapters covers the entire relevant stuff about the history and the scope of microbiology, and no need to run after other books. Second is the study of microbial structure. It includes the microscopy, different light field, bright field, and there's bright field and dark field microscopy, and other transmission electron microscopes, and all the principles and procedure how to prepare a specimen. So in this chapter you will cover that. And the third is the structure of the prokaryote, and the fourth chapter is about the eukaryotic structure. So here, if a bachelor student want to study it, so here is more detail about these subjects, about these topics. So he will cover the entire relevant information about this. The part two consists of the microbial nutrition, growth, and control. So here, the chapter 5 is microbial nutrition. Chapter 6 is microbial growth, and chapter 7 is about the control of microorganism by physical chemical agent. So these three chapters will cover the microbial nutrition, growth, and control. How to control it, how to grow a microorganism, and how to prepare a media for microorganism. The part three include all the metabolic activities that are running inside the microorganism, in the enzymology, or in the microbiology. There is a specific subject about the enzymology and biochemistry. So here you will cover the biochemistry and the enzymology. Now come to the part 4. So it is about all about the molecular biology. Here I am mentioning again that if a person want to study a microbiology and he want a molecular biology, and he wants to clear his concept related to molecular biology, so here is in these three chapters, if he study this chapter well, so he would cover all the relevant micromolecular biology that is included in his bachelor's. So this is about the molecular biology. Now here the part 5 is the DNA technology and genomics. So here you can cover the recombinant DNA technology and all the biotechnology processes. Part 6 is about the viruses. What are viruses and what are the life cycles and what are the eukaryotic viruses and how they spread disease, how they attack a living organism. So these chapters cover the virology section of the microbiology field. Then come the taxonomy. The part 7 is about the taxonomy of the diversity of the microbial world. So here come the evolution, the taxonomy. So I think in microbiology there is a specific topic about the microbial taxonomy. So the microbial taxonomy can be covered by this chapter number 19. Chapter number 20 is about the archaea, a little bit information about the archaea. Chapter number 21 is about the diplococci and non-proteobacteria, the gram negatives. And in short, these chapters include all the diversity of the microorganism and especially the bacteria. It's also include protestant fungi and other archaea. So this was about the part 7. The part 8 include the ecology and symbiosis. That in short it means the mutualism and the interaction of microorganism and human beings and with the other environment. So here you can cover the carbon cycle, phosphorus cycle, and the sulfur cycle. All type of cycle will be included in chapter 27. Chapter 28 include the microorganism that is in related to oceans and freshwater. Chapter number 29 and 30. Chapter number 29 is about the microorganism in terrestrial environment, and here soil microbiology is covered. And chapter number 30 is about the microbial interaction, about the symbiosis, mutualism, cooperation, commensalism, and amensalism. All will be covered here. This is the most important part is the part 9. It is about the immunology. So all relevant information is included in this chapter 31 and 30, chapter 32. So if you want to study immunology and you at bachelor level, so here is all the relevant information and it is very authentic. I have studied and it is very easy and the English is very easy. The part 10 is about the microbial diseases and their control. It is about the, we can say the clinical microbiology and the medical microbiology. Here, the clinical microbiology and medical microbiology is covered here. The part 11th is about, the last part is about the food and industrial microbiology. What is food microbiology? So there is a certain subject in the BS microbiology, Bachelor of Microbiology, that is food microbiology. So all the information related to food microbiology is covered in this chapter. And the last one is the applied and industrial microbiology. So there is also an industrial microbiology uh, topic in the Bachelor of Microbiology. So in short, these are the brief contents of this book. So no need to be panic about it, and I have studied well, and I have up till now I have studied almost 20 to 25 chapter of this book. I am really satisfied about it, and I am currently studying in semesters fifth of microbiology, and it have given me a lot of advantage, and I am very happy to get this to be I'm studying this book, so I'm also recommending you this book. If the actual price according to Pakistani rupees is about 14,000 of this book. This book mainly consists of two parts. The 24 chapters are of one part, and after the 24 chapter, 25 to 41 chapter, these are included in the other part of this book. So get the authentic copy, the not the pirated copy, and you will. I can. Uh, I'm saying it very efficiently that you will get much more advantage from it. And I'm running a channel that is known as Science for Everyone. So watch my videos. I'm making these videos from this book because I have studied, and I know that it will give very much advantage to the students. So keep watching my videos, and please subscribe and like this video. And thank you very much. God bless you.